Greetings YouTube. Today we have a Lindhaus stealth power head. These are common not only on Lindhaus canister vacuums but also on central vacuums. This is a non-direct connect variant, so it has a big tail to go wrong. Anyways, we're gonna just do a basic service, so as always please like, subscribe, and share, and don't try this at home. Looks like the customer is courteous enough to leave a screw out. Bigger screwdriver. These are nice because they just pop out and come apart for service. They're one of those things that's meant for prolonged use. Alright. This one's got a bit of Kirby cake. Here's the problem. Melted end cap. Might have to replace this roller.
guy's gonna. Did you have focus? Oh shit, yeah. I was showing Steve because he's like, I was like, this power bar is a piece of crap, nothing stays in there. And he's like, you probably take it apart and try it. Oh, he goes, and there's a black. Oh, wait. I gotta get that one. He said there was another one by the.
It's worn up. Oh. Looking a little better. Gonna open up, check the motor.
Alex, can I get in here something?
Yeah, dude. Always just kind of a strange cover to open up.
Got to adjust that insulin now that I've been riding. It's been on the lower side.
Clean this out. folks, your power head needs to be serviced every few years, maybe once a year, maybe 6 months, depending on who made it and what you're picking up. But they do need service, so don't go years and years without servicing them, otherwise stuff just builds up in here. I want to say almost every 6 months to a year I service my stuff, personally. Might not be affordable for everybody, so I can do it myself, but I'd say don't go past like 2 or 3 years without service on a power head. It's just part of the running cost of owning a vacuum.
Never mind. I expect, oh yeah, this thing, what is that thing here? Okay, I thought it was. Thank you.
That's curious that this is spring loaded. I never noticed that. Those things spring loaded and helps maintain suction with that, I guess. Well, it's time to put this Lindhaus back together so you can lind your house. Before I do that, so this belt doesn't need changing pretty much ever is the idea of this system. For the most part, that's true. This brush roller just gives a half turn and locks into place. And we got our bearing. Alright. Ooh, that's smooth. It was bound up on the camera. Almost ready to Lindhaus. And again, the customer didn't bring it in with all the screws, unfortunately. I guess 3 out of 4 ain't bad. Clean it up. Magic bottle. These are commercial rated, these Lindhauses. I mean, you can just use this power head for years and it would just keep on trucking. Give it a little service every now and then, it'll last pretty much forever. The plastic's brittle and gone, which will be 20 or 30 years. They've had these power heads for a long time. They never need very much. Rarely do they even need a brush roller. Make it as happy as Vinny the vacuum. Vinny the vacuum. Almost out of Vinny the vacuum. Big Lindhaus symbol right there.
Should I go grab another one from back there, or do we have one?
You can grab that Royal steamer, or you put the Hoover back together you were servicing.
Okay.
These pieces. Alright. Telescoping wand action.
Should I wipe this down, Alex? Clean up here?
Yeah. Alright, we're gonna test this. Alright, that is that. Please like, subscribe, comment below. This wasn't the most exciting video, but yeah, that's how to service the Lindhaus power head.